Okay, let's do it. Go to the file, import drawing. Here I saved your file. Okay, select open. File was for in inches, so okay. I hope you know till this point. Okay, now when there are multiple lines to cut, number of holes, you don't know what it will cut first, holes or outer boundaries or whatever. Simple way is to go to this point, edit contours, click on it, click on the all holes which you want to cut from inside. Select all, just click and drag, it will select all of these. Right click on any one of these, go to this option, move to layer and create new layer. Just name it as holes. Okay, now select the mouse again, go to the outer boundary, right click on it, move to layer, new layer, name it as boundary. Okay. Now when you go to operations, create a new jet cutting operation, just you have to make sure you select contour method inside offset and layer of holes. It will cut the holes layer from inside of the lines. Okay, make sure you add lead ins and lead outs and select OK. Now you can see these curved lines, these show lead ins, and this is the lead in and this is lead out. Here the tool will enter the path, go will like this, and then it will leave the path like this, then go to the another hole. Okay, go to this jet cutting operation, click on it, go to outside offset, select layer as boundary, same. Okay, now you can see the cut is outside the boundary. This is showing the white, small white line is showing the boundary, and this is your curve thickness. Here you can view or unview these lines. This is your tool cutting line. So it is half of the 0.125 curve of the nozzle here and half is here. So it will not enter the sheet or boundary. Okay, this is the procedure. Now just click on this, run the post processor, save the file, save it, and okay, you will get your file created. Just try it and let me know what happens. Thank you.